We've always said that the most important ingredients in good barbecue are the people sitting in the chairs around you. That's why we set out to create the most versatile tabletop grill on the market. A grill that brings people together, turning meals into experiences. A grill where the only thing that could limit you is your imagination. This is the Bola Grill. The Bola Grill was designed and engineered to create a simple, unique, and social over-the-fire cooking experience without compromising safety. This grill wasn't just built to last, but to build meaningful relationships, great memories, and absolutely delicious meals. For the host, for the proud parent, for the outdoor enthusiast, for loved ones. Gather around the action with a grill that looks and feels like it belongs right in the heart of any outdoor gathering. Back our campaign today and stay up to date on new attachment releases, delicious recipes, and the latest Bola news.